Now, let me show you how you can use Google Chrome in a full screen on your Android phone. So let me explain it. It is a bit of a process, but it definitely does work. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So we are actually going to use a JavaScript for it. So if we go for the Chrome and tap the three dots and tap on the settings at the bottom, we want to make sure that the part of the side settings we have the JavaScript allowed. So yeah, if you have that, then make sure that it is like turned on so we can actually start using it. And the best way to use it is by accessing a bookmark, but we need to have a specific code which I sent to myself over email, so I should be able to access it, right? So it is right there, and this is the function that we need to have available. So I'm gonna copy that. Of course, I'm gonna link to it below in the description, so you don't really have to copy it or anything. But essentially, we go into the Chrome browser. We have a random website, like I'm looking at a Facebook or whatever. We're gonna click on the three dots and turn it into a bookmark, right? It turned it into a bookmark, but I'm gonna click on it and actually change it. So I'm gonna rename the bookmark, whatever, but the important part is the JavaScript, which I'm gonna type in manually as such, and then I'm gonna be able to paste the rest, right, as such. So this is what I pasted, and then I'm gonna make sure that I rename the bookmark to something which I wanna use as the name. So I'm gonna make it, for example, called run script, right? And this is what I'm actually gonna save. This is how it's done, right? I can come back and see that my bookmarks in here contain this run script, JavaScript, whatever. And now whenever I'm inside of a website, right, let me just choose something else. I don't know, I'm gonna go to Yahoo search or whatever, really. It's not important because we can get it there, right? And in here, we can essentially just go to the URL and type in the run script, and we want to just click on the bookmark right there. So as you can see, it gives me some suggestions for the search, but I'm going to click on the bookmark in there. And then now we are inside of a full screen mode. We don't have anything at the top. We don't have the controls only when we slide up from the bottom. But in here, we can control and use the website the way that we want it, right? So let me do it again for another website. Now we are inside of the Facebook. We're going to click the URL, type in run script, choose the bookmark, and now we are again the full screen, right? So I don't have any other things which would stand in the way. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple once you have it set up, but it takes a little bit of time to make it work. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later in the future uploads.